Sheila here from Satin Crystals. I was wondering if you are getting tired of gifting or receiving the same old box of chocolates, bouquet of flowers, or generic chain store jewelry every single Valentine's Day? Well, we have something much better that is sure to impress both men and women. At Satin Crystals, we are offering you Moldavite, the meteorite for cosmic lovers. Check out our latest selection of sterling silver rings, pendants, necklaces, and Moldavite gemstone pieces, stocked just in time for your Valentines. This out-of-the-world gift will leave your lover starstruck and glowing with gratitude. So why settle for mediocre love when you can have Moldavite's cosmic love? And why settle for mediocre jewelry when you can have something that is as rare and as unique as the stars above? This Valentine's Day, be fresh, be green, and be the best lover you can be with Satin Crystals Moldavite. For a lot more Moldavite information and to shop for Moldavite gemstones, visit satincrystals.com. While you're there, don't forget to sign up for the VIP club for gemstone stories, latest news, and members-only specials. As always, thank you for your positive presence at Satin Crystals.